A hungry stomach, an empty wallet, and a broken heart can teach you the best lessons of life. The only thing making you unhappy is your own thoughts. Change them. If you want a new idea, read an old book. We fear the future because we are wasting today. Sometimes breaking the rules is extending the rules. Never go to the past, not for happiness, not for justification, not for excuses. Don't get emotionally attached to anyone. People can change. Even your best friends can turn into strangers. Don't trust the people who tell you other secrets. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. If you want something done, and done well, do it yourself. Train yourself to take nothing personally. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Self-care is realizing that you are your greatest obstacle. Men who lack purpose will distract themselves with pleasure. Sometimes having no friends indicates that you have more time to be with yourself and focus on your own growth, so don't worry about it.